Hello and welcome. We are continuing our IJMB and JUPEB classes. Today we are going to be looking at the economics syllabus. Please hit the subscribe button so that anytime we release any video on any of our lectures, you'll be the first to see them. Like and always share our videos. We are starting this series for economics, and we're going to be giving you the syllabus so that you know the things that we're going to be looking at. So this is IJMB JUPEB economics syllabus. For the first semester, we're going to be looking at introduction, under which we look at scope of economics, the definitions of economics, the basic concepts. You know the basic concepts of scarcity, opportunity cost, scale of preference, and all the rest of them. Then we're also going to be looking at micro and macro economics. Then after that, we are going to be looking at the tools and methods of theoretical analysis in economics. In our basic O-level economics, we learned about graphs, tables, and the charts. We're going to be extending that and be learning about algebra, calculus sets, and inductive and deductive methods of theoretical analysis. After that, we're going to be looking at basic problems of resource allocation and the various modes of production. We're going to be looking at factors of production. Some of these topics we already looked at in O-level, but we're going to be looking at them in a broader way under IJMB and JUPEB. Then after that, we'll look at theory of demand and supply. Theory of demand and supply, very, very important, under which we are going to be looking at demand schedules, supply schedule, and the rest of them, and the curves. After that, we'll look at industrialization, agriculture, and population, under which we'll look at Malthusian theory, the history and role of agriculture. So we're going to be looking at all these for the first semester. This is first semester. After that, we'll move into the second semester. Here in Tclassified.com, we're going to be covering the whole syllabus for you to help you study effectively. Remember that we have online lessons for you, both those preparing for O-level, JAM, WAEC, and NECO. We also have online classes for people preparing for IJMB and JUPEB. You can take our free lectures by just clicking the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon so that anytime we release any video, you'll be the first to see. Or you can get into our paid class where we use Zoom as well as WhatsApp to teach you. So to do that, you simply have to pay for that if you want to get into our paid class. So we have two classes, free class and the paid class. If you want to get into the paid class, when you pay into our account and give me the details to show me that you paid, then I'll know that you paid, and I'll add you to the WhatsApp group for the paid class, so that when we share Zoom link, I'll also give to you so that you can join up in the class. That we are going to be doing a few number of times. But we're going to be uploading lectures to the paid WhatsApp group, as well as be giving assignments for our students to do. All the assignments that we drop after the lectures, we expect every paid student to do them and show us. Very importantly, we mark assignments. Our assignments are very, very important to us. Please hit the subscribe button, like and share our videos so that your friends can see them. If you have any suggestion for any topic that you want us to work on, drop them in the comment section. Thank you and God bless.